Hello and welcome to Cypherdog. Today I'll be showing you how to set up and install our Cypherdog Encryption app. So to start with, you need to head to our website, which is www.cypher.dog. Once you've done that, you need to head to the tab on the right hand side, click this and head to download. We're going to be going with Windows today, so click on the Windows icon. That will download the file, so that will download the encryption application. That just takes a minute or two, so just let that download. Once you've opened up the file, you'll see this, which is Welcome to Cypherdog Email Encryption. It's our setup wizard. Very simple to follow. Just click Next. Click Next. Next again. And just let it download. That will only take a few seconds to download. So our application comes with a 14-day free trial. You have all the features with that as well, so you'll be able to decrypt, receive email messages, and send them. So once a file is downloaded, click Finish. And it will automatically run the Cypherdog application. So I'm just allowing access here. So if this screen pops up here, just allow access from your Windows to your firewall. And there we go. So this is the app. Now, to register, first of all, what you need to do is just click the Register tab here. And it'll ask you to enter in your email address, password that you want to set up, and repeat password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So with your password, it needs to be 8 characters, 1 capital letter, 1 special character, and 1 digit. So make sure you enter that incorrectly. It will tell you if you didn't. There we go. And click Next. Here we go. So check your email. Activation link has been sent. So I need to come to my email here. And here we go. So activate your Cypherdog account. Thank you for registering for Cypherdog. By activating account, you need to click the link below. So we'll click it here. Your account has been activated. So really simple to download and set up. So now you've activated your email. What you do is head back over to the app, click Next, and it will tell you for encryption an RSA key must be paired to be generated. Enter the password for the keys to keep them safe. So you'll be required to enter this password every time you want to use the app, basically, or to unlock the app to be able to use it. So once again, enter the password. Make sure you remember it. Again, it needs a special character and a digit. And click OK. So you're setting up now your RSA key. And click OK. The screen might have just gone black for a second. It's just prompting me on Windows to accept that. And there we go. So once you've done that, it says everything is ready. You can now start using the app. What I'll do now is I'll show you how to install and set up the extension for both Google Chrome and Edge. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the extension for the Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. So head over to the Chrome store. So just type in Chrome extensions on Google. Head over to the Google Chrome extensions, the official site here. Okay, and search the store. So just type in Cypherdog. And you'll see here, this is the extension. So just click on that and click Add to Chrome. Once you've done that, click Add Extension. And there we go. You know it's successfully added if it comes up on the right hand side, remove from Chrome. You can also double check that by clicking the extensions tab and you'll see it in your list of extensions here. So to do that on Edge is very simple. Head over to your Edge add-ons, type in Cypherdog. And then click Get. Once again, add extension. And you'll know it's successfully installed if you have that little notification that pops up. Cypherdog Email Encryption has been added to Microsoft Edge, and you have the Remove tab here. So that's very simple how you set up your extensions. What I'll do next is show you how to set up your private key. Okay, so now I will show you how to set up and back up your key. So to do that, it's very simple. Just head over to your taskbar, right click on your Cypherdog app, click on Backup Keys. You'll be prompted to enter in your password. So go ahead and do that. Click Next. And now it's going to just create a document for you. So I just named the file name Backup. Do that and click Save. And that's it. So your key is now backed up and fully saved. So you're ready to go now. All you need to do next is start sending your encrypted messages. So you can use Google Chrome or Edge, or you can actually use the magic window bar in the app to do that. I'll show you how to do that on our next videos. Thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you for the next one.